Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have a brand new box to the channel. This is the box by Fashionista. I canceled my Allure beauty box, I think 2 months ago now. So I decided to try this box out. I did have to get on a wait list for it. They emailed me when a spot opened up and I was able to order it. It is $24.99 a month with free shipping in the United States, but I believe if you are outside of the United States, you may have to pay for shipping, I think. I was able to find a code online. I think I used like just the honey thing and it gave me like 20% off, or I signed up for something. I got 20% off this box right here, so I don't even remember exactly what I paid for it. But yeah, I decided it was only, what, $2 more than the Allure beauty box, and this promises to have between 5 and 7 full-size products, and they focus more on smaller brands and indie brands and brands maybe you've never heard of. So I thought it would be a good thing to try, just to give it a whirl, see if we like it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have that on the screen right here for you, as I don't think there's any samples in here, so hopefully there's a card that will tell us the full-size value. If not, I will research that as well. Okay, let's just go ahead and open it up. Okay, so when you open the box, it looks just like this. Something does smell in here strongly, so I hope nothing leaked, but I got a whiff of something as soon as I opened it. The theme for this is Marchology. Marchology? Is that how you say that? Reveal your inner warrior. And on the back, it does have everything we're getting as well as the value of the items, so that's great. And it looks like we're getting 6 items in here. Oh yeah, something definitely leaked. I can see the grease on the tissue paper, or the wetness, something leaked. Let me go get just a towel or something. Okay, so I went to grab a washcloth just because I don't know exactly what the liquid is. So let's just go ahead and pull out the leaking thing first. It's definitely whatever this is. It smells good though, I will say that. And I like that they put it in a plastic bag, but ooh, it's really leaking. It seemed to not work. So this is from M. Greengrass. It is a dry oil spray in the scent of sweet clementine. I definitely smell like the citrus scent on that. Really like it. It's in a glass bottle, so that's nice. Hopefully I captured all the leaking and it can just sit here and exist. But I actually really like dry oil sprays. I have one that I think I got in a FabFitFun box a long time ago that I really like. I don't know what it is about an oil. I really like oils for like everywhere, but like a dry oil on your body, it like just moisturizes and the scent stays for quite a while. So I'm really excited to try that one. It smells really good. Okay, and the value on that is $36, which, yeah, I mean, I feel like oils are just expensive, but it does say multi-use for body, face, and hair, formulated with a blend of high-quality oils for superior moisture, soft skin without feeling greasy, and it is cruelty-free, so that's amazing. Yeah, that's another thing about oils, like it says on the card. You put it on your body, and it's not like a lotion where your hands just feel greasy and you can't do anything. It like, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels moisturized. Okay. Let's move on now that I got the leaking thing out. And I will say, like, it leaked a little bit. Like, there's still a full bottle here, so I'll be able to get good use out of that. Okay, moving right along, let's just go ahead and pull out this thing. This is from Sahara Rose. This is an I Am a Treasure Hydra C serum. Never tried this brand, but it is a serum concentrate, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, triple peptide, vegetable ceramides, moth bean, watermelon, carrot, cactus, and mushroom. Which I am allergic to mushrooms, like eating them, but I don't know if I could put them on my skin. I guess I'll have to try it and see if it gives me some sort of adverse reaction. So yeah, it's just the face serum. I really like the packaging. It's really like nice looking. We'll go ahead and see if it smells. It smells just like a serum. If you know like that serum smell, like that's literally what it smells like. So there's that. And the full size of this is $54, which seems pretty on par with serums in general. It does say cruelty-free. I wonder if this box promises to be cruelty-free. I can't remember. Okay, let's pull out this next thing. This is from Lip Love. Never heard of them, never tried them. So this is a cruelty-free plant-based lip gloss, I guess. Mine's in the shade Brown Sugar. It is very glittery. I'll go ahead and swatch it just because I've never tried this brand. This is actually be really nice as a lip topper. So it kind of shears out, and I normally would not like a brown lip, but it doesn't smell like it. It just smells like lip stuff. Doesn't smell like anything scented. But yeah, that's definitely nice. I will definitely get some use out of this. The value on this is $12, which is actually fairly affordable for a lip gloss, especially one that you would get in a subscription box. So that seems like a decent price. Okay, moving right along, let's pull out this thing. This is from how do I say this? Okay, this is from LA Splash Cosmetics, which I'm not sure if I've ever tried, but it does say it is cruelty-free. This is a duo-side lip liner pencil with a sponge eraser. And mine's in the shade 04. It looks to be like a reddish sort of maroon color. Here's the packaging. The what is it called? Architect, but it's spelled kind of weird. Lip Sculptor is what it is. Let's go ahead and try her out. I know I've said in previous videos I don't typically wear a lip liner, but if I do, it's when I'm wearing dark colors or a red. Oh, it's a pencil too. So I definitely like pencils because I feel like they don't lose the moisture. There it is. Very pretty. I like that color more for fall. I don't think it's the best summer color, but not bad. And then it's also got this thing on the back, which I swear I have not seen this on a lip pencil since like the 90s. Maybe they still exist. I swear, like when you used to buy like lip liners back when I was younger, like in middle school, you would get that on the end, but I don't know they still did that. Anyways, the value on this is $10, which is very affordable, so not mad about that. Okay, let's pull this next thing. This is from Midas Makeup, which is cruelty-free. This is the Witch Lash. It's a vegan and cruelty-free thickening mascara. I've never tried, I don't think I've tried anything from this brand, but I know that they have, there's a box that has primarily this brand in it. I want to say it's like the So Susan Curate box. I don't even know if that still exists, but I know a long time ago this used to be like, there was a box that had a lot of this brand in it. The packaging, really cute, hot pink. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Got a lot of mascaras this month. Oh, so the wand is very basic. Very, very basic wand. I'm trying to get a feel for the formula. It feels a little wetter, which I prefer. And it doesn't, I like it when it doesn't have a lot of product on the wand, so then it doesn't clump as much, if that makes sense. So definitely will give this a try. I typically prefer a different kind of wand, but I definitely want to try this brand, so I will give it a go. It is also waterproof, which I don't think I've ever in my life tried a waterproof mascara, so I'm curious to give that a go. $14. Fairly decent price for a mascara, I would say. All right, and then we have one last item in here. This is a palette. This is the Athena palette. It's fine. Sorry, I think the trash truck is driving down the road and somebody got excited. Okay, so as I was saying, this is the Athena palette from Dido Cosmetics, which I've never heard of that brand. The card does tell me it's cruelty-free though, so that's good. Here's the outer packaging. Really kind of cute. Very different. Let's see what we have on the inside. Wow. Okay, so there it is. Well, initially, I think this palette is very, very, very pretty, and I really like this glitter right here at the bottom. I don't think I'm going to wear this palette. I don't know, there are some colors in here that I don't have, and I don't think I would ever have otherwise. Like, let me see. These greens at the top, and the yellow. Oh, I don't really love green as a color, but I do love like puke green or army green. Let's go ahead and swatch a couple of them just because I've never tried this brand and it seems very cool. Try a couple mattes. They feel very buttery. And we'll do a couple shimmers. Ooh. I'm not going to do that glitter one just because I know glitter is a different beast. Okay, so I have a couple colors on my hand, or my fingers rather, and we'll go ahead and swatch them right here. All right, let me just, I like to give colors a fair shot because I know when I'm using a brush, I'm not going to be just doing a straight line. I'm going to be blending. So there they are. I like this palette. I really love that sky bluish sort of color up there. Very, very pretty. And these are colors I don't have, so I'm excited to try them. Maybe step a little bit outside of my comfort zone. Like I said, typically I would not swatch that palette just because I'm not into those colors, but those are also colors I don't think I own anywhere in my collection. So I'm excited to give them a try. They are, like, they stained my hand. I just wiped it off with this, and there's some lasting power there. The value on that palette is $29, which seems pretty decent. How many shades were in there? 4, 8, 12, 16. I don't think that's a bad price at all, honestly, for this big of a palette. Yeah. And I like that I just realized this because I'm like, why are the colors, like the shadow names right here in the back? Right there. It's just numbers. And I was like, well, that's kind of boring. But it's because on the inside, I'm not sure if you can see, I think it's like the Greek numbers. It's kind of cool and different. I don't know. I'm kind of into this box. So far, like first impression of this box, big fan. I thought it was pretty good. Everything in here I liked, minus the palette was not like typically my jam, but it was different enough for me to want to swatch it, which normally doesn't happen. I'm like, nah, I won't swatch it. I'm not ever going to use it. But those colors were so different that I was like kind of drawn to them in a way. I'm going to add up the value real quick just to see how much this box was worth. So the total value of the box was $155, which is fairly good, I'd say, for a $25 a month box. I think I definitely prefer this box over the Allure box, just because I don't think any brand in here I've ever tried, which is always interesting. And everything was cruelty-free. So that is a huge win for me, which I'd say like most boxes, it's like 80% cruelty-free. But then you would get some, like when I used to get Sephora, it was like so much of it was not cruelty-free. So I really like this box. I think my favorite thing was the dry oil spray, just because I really like dry oils. And, but I think everything in here I'm going to use. Even the lip liner that I don't typically use, I think I'm going to use it. But yeah, I want to know what you guys thought of this box. Do you think this is a good substitute for the Allure Beauty box, or did you like that box better? And do any of you get this box? I just happened, what was that website? The My Subscription Addiction. I just happened to be browsing on there to try to find a new box, and I found this one. And then I was like, oh man, there's a wait list. I'm never going to get this box. And honestly, I joined the wait list, I think, in February, and I got the email the next month. So it wasn't that long that I had to wait. So if you guys like this box, if you're into like cruelty-free sort of products, definitely check this one out. I will have the link as always down below where you can find this box. And yeah, but that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, more dogs bumming out back there. Look at those bums. They're all literally sleeping. Got those two there. You can see Josie, just a smidge. She's laying right here. Anyways, if you want to see more of them, hit that subscribe button right down there, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.